Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and today I bring you a special phone from Oukitel, and this is the new and the latest model for Oukitel, the new mini size smartphone Oukitel K16. And today, hands-on, I will talk about specification and introduce this one by one. First, about design. As we can see, it's a very mini size. The screen is 3.5, and the back panel is with the luxury tactile material, and also the customized UI is business style. Front camera 8 megapixel and the rear camera 48 megapixel. Both use the Sony lens. The buttons, the camera shape, the button are all customized shape. So this is very nice, and it's a special design compared to the normal phones, especially for the compared to the other smartphones. So it's very unique design. This time they also use the operating system based on Android setting, and they use the MediaTek MT A788, 8GB RAM plus 128GB ROM, 3050 batteries inside. And also about the size, it's very small, and we can check from this angle, from the this phone also with the screens protector. We can get the basic information from the screen protector as well. And about the size is just the height 120.5 mm with 58.5 mm, thickness 14.5 mm, and the weight only 185 grams. So it's very small and with light. Yes. And about the camera, as I mentioned, the rear camera Sony IMX8582, and front one IMX314. Yes, that's very nice. Very unique design. Back side, front side. But one thing I don't love is because the front camera is in the left button, left side, also the right side of the smartphone. This nose looks so good and also balanced design. It will have an effect on the design of the beauty of the smartphone. I prefer it to be the middle of the upside of the smartphone, actually. Oh yes, this is about the design, and also you can check the customized UI to use. It's also nice. Button upside. Use the sharp lines to design it to make it more, I think, more like the racing cars design. Yes, it's business style, and I think this can be one of your best choice for the spare phones. The mini and also heavy, and compared to the normal phones, it's a bit unique, not easy to be recognized. The camera test, front 8 megapixel, the rear 48 megapixel. Also the port zoom. Yeah. This is the zoom test. Okay, yes, this works. Also for the display resolution, 720 by 1280, screen to body ratio 16:9, and PPI 1419, peak brightness 400. Yep. this is a special but shortcut icon application for the light. Yep. So this is very funny and very nice. More pictures. Thanks. This is today's very quick and very simple introduction about the Oukitel new model baby phone, Oukitel K16. And what do you think of such small size smartphone? Would you buy it, or okay, just have a look? Okay, thanks for watching. Let's stay tuned with more cool here. Bye bye.